my channel. Today we're going to be preparing one of my all-time favorite cookies. These are almond cookies. They make the perfect quick little snack because they're not baked, and they also give you a little pick-me-up because they're healthy for you too. Now let's get started. Okay, so to make these simple little cookies, I'm adding to my mixing bowl 1 cup of almond butter or peanut butter, even cashew butter. Use whichever nut butter is your favorite. Use an all-natural kind with no added oils or sugars because we're going to be sweetening these cookies ourselves with the next ingredient, which is 1/3 cup of pure maple syrup. This could be substituted for honey, but don't forget that this maple syrup has a higher concentration of minerals and antioxidants, yet fewer calories than honey for those of you who are counting. Now for the third ingredient to these cookies, I'm then going to be adding coconut flour. This smells amazing and adds the perfect taste and richness to these cookies. Give everything a good mix, and if you guys are new to my channel, I post new videos every week. Be sure to subscribe and click that notifications bell so you guys won't miss out on them. Once the yummy batter looks like this cookie dough texture, go ahead and pop this into the freezer for about 15 minutes to firm it up a bit. And once it's ready, take your cookie scoop and firmly pack the dough into the scoop and press it down onto your plate. These cookies are so delicious. There's something about the coconut and the maple that disguise themselves in this mixture and give them the most unique taste and texture. These are like eating a soft-baked peanut butter cookie, you know, with that delicate and gooey center. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and stay tuned for more recipes.